The chiropractic body massager is an advanced, high-powered massage tool that serves as a percussive therapy massager for at-home or professional use. Most of these massagers have a rectangular or square pad that you place on your body as you hold the handles and let the massager vibrate and deliver percussive massage over the body. There are many products available to choose chiropractic massagers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best chiropractic massagers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Body Back Vibe Continuous Chiropractic Massager. The Vibe Professional Electric Massager from Body Back is a top-rated chiropractic body massager built for long-lasting durability and easy-to-change speeds. The most common positive overwhelming consent among customers seems to be that the Vibe is powerful and effective in relieving pain on trigger spots and in cases of back or shoulder problems. An unpleasant feature many users have found with the Vibe is that its handle vibrates a lot, causing discomfort after a while of holding it during use. Some users noted that the speeds are not very different in terms of variance, and there are basically just two speeds that are similar. If you prefer to warm up with a lower speed, or use a higher speed on tougher areas of muscle tissue on your back, or legs compared to on your shoulders, this may not be the model for you. Number 2. Body Sport Variable Speed Professional Vibrating Massager. The Body Sport is a chiropractic body massager on the more affordable end. It provides varying speeds and thick comfortable padding. It generally requires you to have some help using it. However, most people have been able to find back pain relief using it, which is why the Body Sport is so highly rated. According to customer reviews, the Body Sport's biggest downfall is that it isn't powerful enough. At its highest speed, it climbs to 3,800 RPM, which isn't powerful enough of a percussion for some. What customers do like about the Body Sport is that it provides a wider variety of speeds, ranging from 1,000 RPM to 3,800 RPM. This is great for people who find other chiropractic professional massagers to be too intense, powerful or painful for them. Unfortunately, many others may find the highest setting on this unit to still be too weak. Number 3. Core Products Jeanie Rub Variable Speed Massager. The Jeanie Rub Variable Speed Massager is highly rated by customers for its effectiveness in relieving sore muscles, improving energy and motion, as well as reducing pain. It works on anyone to quickly melt away muscle tension and promote relaxation. The Jeanie Rub Chiropractic Body Massager is durable and long-lasting. Made in the USA with cast aluminium and finished with a black powder coat, it's resistant to wear and tear and built to stay with you through years of use. It has a high-powered motor and 12 feet of power cord length for better convenience. You can easily adjust the speed on this massager with the turn of the dial, which is right next to the handle grip. Number 4. MaxiRub T2 Speed Professional Chiropractic Massager. As a 6-pound piece of chiropractic equipment, the MaxiRub is a pro-grade massager built to ease any muscular tension wherever it's used, by penetrating with percussive pulses deep within muscle tissue. The MaxiRub indeed delivers plenty of pressure into muscle tissue, enough to penetrate it and break up tension. By vibrating at a high force with the help of its powerful motor, the MaxiRub loosens up tight muscle fibers and tendons. Unless you're going to grip this yourself to use it on your legs, or the sides of your hips, you're going to need someone who can help you use the MaxiRub on your back and shoulders, even your arms. That said, at least customers say the MaxiRub's grip handles are ergonomic and comfortable, and that the handles don't vibrate much. In fact, it's quite easy for novices to hold the MaxiRub steady and control it as they maneuver it over one's back, in spite of it weighing 6 pounds. It's very sturdy, and it glides along smoothly. Number 5. Thumper Maxi Pro Percussive Massager. The Thumper Maxi Pro is still a heavy-duty massager, yet it's better for self-massage compared to other models. You can easily grip it in one hand instead of requiring 2 hands to grip it. The handle is ergonomically placed, so that you can comfortably reach more places throughout your body, as compared to other chiropractic professional massagers, which are better for use with a chiropractor, or other person who can help you, by holding the device over your muscle tissue. The Thumper contains 8 massage nodes, allowing it to cover a wide area at a time. Its 8 ball-like nodes are able to release small trigger points throughout your fascia and muscle tissue. Meanwhile, its percussion works to deeply penetrate muscle tissue and break up tension. You can switch between holding the Thumper over your muscle while it's vibrating, and kneading your muscles with its nodes, while it's not vibrating. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.